Hey everybody, it's Uncle Chris. I am back with another food pantry haul. I have my neighbor Miss Bambi here. Lean over, Bambi. Say hello.
Hello, how are you? We are on our way to the food pantry so Uncle Chris can show you a new dish that you will absolutely adore and love.
And today in Chi-Town, it is cold, as you can see.
Very cold. We got a lot of snow last night, although luckily it's melting, but still, let's get spring on its way, huh?
Yeah, yes. So we're gonna go there, and I will let you guys see what we get. Okay? All right, we're on our way, honey.
We're on our way, and when we get back, we'll set it up, and you will be in for a wonderful surprise.
All right, everybody, here we go.
Here we are.
Oh my God, look at all this snow. Roads are rough in Chicago if you're not familiar.
And they will tear your car up.
Yes, they will. But it is worth it because Miss Bambi does not have a car, so I'm bringing her.
Okay.
And then we've got a few other people that can't make it. They're homebound, so we're going to get some food to them.
Yes.
All right, guys, we're back from the food pantry, and right here in Uncle Chris's truck, we got the boxes. I'm gonna have Miss Bambi get hers first. We got some more stuff in the other part. I gotta give to some other people, and then I will be right there to show you what we got for the haul. Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris, and we're back from the food pantry. This was a quick little haul. I've already dropped Miss Bambi off next door and got her food, okay? Now, let's start from left to right. And I will let you know exactly what I got here. Okay, let's start with, look how much meat we got from the food pantry. Split chicken breasts. I'm gonna be making my hot sauce soup again. 2 packs. I mean, these are huge. Okay, what kind of chickens are these? Pterodactyls? Anyway, also, boneless, seasoned pork chops. Got 2 packs of those. 2 packs of ground beef. Oh, I don't know, spaghetti, sliders. Now, beef stew. It doesn't taste the greatest, but don't laugh at me at what I'm about to tell you. Do not throw this away. Do you have pets? Do you have dogs? Do you run out of pet food? You can use this to make a savory dog food for your pet. I'll show you how you do that with either some bread or some cornflakes, okay? Moving over to the canned goods. Oh my God. Once again, I got some pink salmon. Love this stuff. Love it. Got some black-eyed peas. Love that for a soul food night. Ooh. Diced tomatoes. And look, once again, no salt added. That's perfect. Unsweetened applesauce. Let's see here. Oh, turn it around. Yeah, you do that in cakes. I've got some black beans here. Oh, those are good. I think I'm going to use these on my fajita night. Oh, some green beans. I'm going to show you, not only can you use these for soul food nights, but you can take these, mix them with some corn. Makes a great, great side dish. Oh, more fruit. You know what? I'm going to freeze some of this and show you how you take this fruit mix, make it into a great smoothie, okay? All right. Ooh, more green beans. Yes, I'm definitely going to show you that dish. Green beans. Corn. Mix this with your green beans, a little bit of chicken stock, and garlic. Delicious. Oh, more corn. That's good. Oh, my favorite. Sliced mangoes. These make such a great smoothie. It's just ridiculous. Or you could make them into mango ice cream. I got some pasta for spaghetti or Alfredo. Ooh. Premium pinto beans. I can show you how to make your own refried beans with these out of dried beans. I will show you how to do that, okay? Save you a whole lot of money. Some canned peas. Make a salad with that. Some great Jiffy mix for cornbread, but I'm going to show you how to make a spicy cornbread. Oh, instant mashed potatoes. Absolutely love these things. You can make potato fritters. You can make, oh, I got a great guy. You know what? I got an idea. Potato balls with cheese centers fried. I know. Low fat. I'm not doing it, but I am doing sodium free. Wheat bread. Oh yeah. Wheat bread. Nice and soft and fresh. I'm going to put this in the freezer. And then we got the old staple, corn flakes. Corn flakes. I can also use this to make some dog food. I don't have a dog, but you can do a lot with corn flakes. Do a lot with them. It's just like the miracle food. I tell you. Put this box down here. All right. Guys, it was a really nice little haul. I'm going to try to do an ultimate food pantry haul. I'm going to hit 2 or 3, make that 3 or 4 food pantries in one day, okay? And remember, if you need to reach out to the food pantry, do so. It is a blessing, okay? There's nothing wrong with being blessed. And if you need some help, reach out to me, okay? Let me know what I can cook for you or show you how to cook, all right? This is your Uncle Chris. Bye-bye.